GM Cardano, I'm Lloyd Duhan. It is the 30th of October 2023. Here are your top stories. There are just 3 days left for developers and organizations to submit applications to gain early access to Midnight, a new data protection blockchain platform. Midnight allows developers to build decentralized apps that control what data is made public versus kept private on its blockchain. This enables selective disclosure and protection of sensitive metadata like identities and transaction details. Industry experts say Midnight's advanced privacy features through zero-knowledge proofs will enable developers to build blockchain apps that comply with regulations around data privacy and protection. The company behind Midnight is also establishing a community of developers, creators, and organizations to build out the platform. The deadline to apply for early access is critical for those who want to be first to build on Midnight. The company advises interested parties to submit compelling ideas of how they would leverage the platform's capabilities. Midnight has been called groundbreaking for addressing previous blockchain limitations around privacy and regulation. It aims to unlock blockchain potential across sectors like finance and healthcare, where data sensitivity has been a barrier. The countdown is on for this promising new blockchain. We'll be watching to see who secures those coveted early access spots. David Harding, general manager of Atala Prism, recently joined Essential Cardano 360 to discuss the self-sovereign digital identity platform. Melanie, what did we learn?
GM Lloyd, Atala Prism aims to give users control over their personal information and how it is shared, unlike current systems where tech companies and institutions largely own user data. One use case highlighted is in education. Atala Prism provided digital credentials to students in Ethiopia as part of a pilot with the Ministry of Education to modernize enrollment and integrate it with the national ID system. This demonstrates how Atala Prism can enable identity capabilities for decentralized applications. Looking ahead, Atala Prism is upgrading to follow web standards for self-sovereign identity more closely. It plans to work with the Cardano community to make new platforms and applications identity-aware and bridge gaps between current web systems and the decentralized web. As David Harding said,
SSI flips the script on traditional digital identity. The future is really going to be represented by bringing those older Web 2 technologies and how identity is used and managed to the Web 3 world using SSI.
For GM Cardano, I'm Melanie Duhan.
I'll be in Dubai for the week, so Melanie will be announcing your top stories for the rest of this week. Thanks, Melanie. If you have an important story that the Cardano community needs to hear, please use the GM Cardano tip line, gmctips at gmcardano.com, or send us a DM on X to our handle gm_Cardano. For links to the above stories, please check our show notes. GM Cardano is your go-to resource for the latest news from the Cardano blockchain. Your support helps us grow. Please like and subscribe on YouTube or wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.
GM Cardano.